Welcome back to This and That. We have an amazing guest here with a really neat device that could help save a life. To tell us more, we've got Rob Cresswell. Rob, thanks for being with us today.
Hey Josh, thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So tell us, we've got some different displays going on. Tell us about GregO2 and LifeVac and what it is you guys do.
Yeah, so GregO2 was started, my brother Greg passed away last year in a choking accident in a restaurant. So we started an organization called GregO2, and I heard about this device called a LifeVac, and once I found out about it, I ordered one, started looking into it, and amazing device, saved over 800 lives.
Wow.
And never failed. So never had a failure on this. And so we came up with GregO2, and our mission is to put this box with the GregO2 device in every restaurant, daycare, nursing home, and school, and first responders vehicle in Heimlich County.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so we are trying to raise money at GregO2.org, and really excited about it.
So I do want to show everyone, we've got video of one of the instances where a GregO2 and LifeVac was used. So here it is, you can see there's a child there choking at that table on our left. And parents try to do what they can, but they're not able to, and then you're not really able to see it from the angle in the video, but the LifeVac was used and able to clear the airway, and then the baby was then taken to make sure they were still good and breathing, all of that. Yeah. How does it feel to see one of your devices used like that and be able to show people it really does work?
Yeah, that was awesome. The guy actually, he had been carrying a LifeVac in his car for 5 years.
Okay.
And the incident happened. If you go on LifeVac.net, they have a lot of these different videos, but he ran to his truck, brought the device back in, and was able to save the baby's life.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That is so neat.
Yeah.
And now you do want to give warning, there might be some other similar looking products out there, but they're not the same.
Yes, so the big box stores, some of them have a device. It looks like this, but it doesn't perform like this. It actually pushes air down the throat, and those are $12, and LifeVacs are usually about $65 to $70.
Okay.
So beware of the $12 devices.
Absolutely. And walk us through, how does one of these work?
So it's really easy. So when you pull it out of the box, it's just place, pull, and it'll just pull everying out.
Okay.
So when you press in, the air comes out of these vents, so it's not going down your throat.
Yes.
And then when you pull, it just will pull everything out.
Gotcha.
So it's place, push, pull. Very easy device.
Yeah,
very
easy. 3 words to remember, place, push, pull, the 3 Ps.
Yeah,
I
so
love it.
GregO2, we are hoping to have one in every restaurant that you eat in. And so GregO2.org, or if you need some more information, 894-4117. That's our organization, and we will answer your questions.
Fantastic. And then you've got a quick little kit here as well.
Yeah, so if you go to LifeVac.net, you can order your kit for your house. So, so this has saved a lot of lives, and even people that live by themselves, it has saved a lot of lives where they got choked and didn't have anybody in there to help them.
Yeah.
So they actually saved their own life.
That's
so,
awesome.
Yeah, it's a great device, and Mike Plunkett is the president. It's made in the USA. He's out of New York. They're a great organization, and they've been really supporting us. So if you do go to we're not affiliated with them, but in the discount code, if you put in GregO2.org, you get 10% off, and they donate $10 to GregO2.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
That is fantastic.
So it's a win-win.
Rob, I've learned so much. This is such an amazing device, and I can't wait to keep hearing some amazing stories. And we're showing real quick, too, the Wall of Saves.
Yeah, so this is LifeVac's Wall of Saves. This is all people that their lives were saved from the LifeVac.
That's amazing.
And the great thing about LifeVac is if you use it, they'll send you a brand new one after that.
Fantastic.
So
Rob,
amazing company, and Greg's legacy is going to save lives.
Perfect. Well, Rob, thank you so much. More information all right there. Hope you guys enjoy.